In this video, we'll be talking about the properties in C# classes and what are the ways to make them read-only. They are defined just like the fields, but with an additional get and set block. Let's say we have a class called customer and we declare a property name inside it. This property stands for the automatic property. It's called like that because for every property, the compiler generates a backing field of the same type. If you press Command dot on a Mac or Control dot on Windows, Visual Studio will suggest converting it to a full property. So when I choose this option, the IDE creates a backing private field name and modifies the get and set accessors in a way to use the private field. We can modify the set accessor in a way to make the string uppercase or do some validation here. Now, if I create a customer object and try to set the name property to this value, I would get an exception. Now let's remove the validation and try to print out the name value. This time the code runs successfully and we have ABC in the output. There are two ways I could make this property read-only. The first one would be removing the set accessor and initializing the property in the constructor. The other way would be using the init-only accessor that was introduced with C#9. It would be very similar to the previous way with a difference that it would allow the property to be initialized inside the object initializer. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching.